Yachts for sale by owner.com would like to offer a 2005 Regal Model 3860 powerboat for sale. The boat currently resides in Bryan, Kentucky, and the asking price is $159,900. The boat has twin Mercruiser 8.1 liter HO 420 horsepower engines with approximately 525 hours on them. Has a beam of 13 feet, displacement of 19,000 pounds, draft of 3 feet, cruising speed of 24 miles an hour, maximum speed of 36 miles an hour, holds approximately 277 gallons of fuel, 75 gallons of water, and 45 gallons in the holding tanks. The boat has two marine air conditioners with heat, 16,000 BTU and 12,000 BTU, swim platform with hot and cold shower and ladder, private staterooms fore and aft with innerspring mattresses, 2 in-suite heads, and wood pocket doors. There's a screen cabin entry door in addition to the solid entry door. Has a foredeck with a sun pad with folding chase lounge and drink holders. Laminated cherry wood interior, walk-through windshield for deck access. Removable full-size dinette table with compass rose inlay. Settees convert to extra berth. Has recliner-style footrest integrated in the salon seating. DVD with Blu-ray. 2 flat-screen TVs, smart TV in the main salon. Galley has a microwave oven, Corian countertops with hidden electric stove, concealed waste receptacle, refrigerator, freezer, deep polished stainless sinks, designated dishware storage, generous storage areas throughout, and a central vacuum center. Comes with the Raymarine E80, closed array radar, Raymarine VHF radio, battery parallel switch, Raymarine ST6001 autopilot, Ray ST60 digital depth sounder, Danforth compass, hydraulic steering with tilt wheel. The owner states this 2005 Regal 38.6 Commodore is an immaculate freshwater express cruiser that has been kept undercover and detailed inside and out each year. Has a rare 2-stateroom configuration with pocket doors for privacy and dedicated head and vanity for each. Has additional berth and salon to sleep 6. Bottom was painted 3 years ago. It's on Lake Cumberland at State Dock, slip 415. Also comes the Kohler 7.3 kilowatt generator with 394 hours on it. Trim tabs, onboard automatic oil change system. Clarion stereo with 2 JL audio amps packing 1300 watts of power attached to the enclosed JL audio M series 7.7 inch. Cam speakers on hard top. Dual 10 inch JL audio subwoofers and Polk audio cockpit speakers. It has a Lumar electric windlass anchored with 200 feet of road. New C-deck flooring installed July 12, 2018 through cockpit and swim platform. For more information or pictures or to contact the owner, visit yachtsfsbo.com.